Hi everyone, my name is Pixie and this is my next video. Now this laptop is a couple of years old. I thought I'd do a how to improve performance on a couple of year old laptop. So let's get started. So the first issue that I've had with this particular laptop today is I've had no internet access. So there is a real easy way to fix that. Now, if you click on that, you can actually see that it is connected and it should be working, but it is not. So to fix that, we go down here and we type in CMD, which is a shortcut key to the command prompt. And then we type in ipconfig release. So we're just going to release our connections. And then we're going to renew them. So now we type in ipconfig renew. And it will renew all those connections. And as you can see, it will reconnect to the internet very shortly. There it goes, which is fabulous. The other thing that I find I'm struggling with this particular PC today is the Bluetooth mouse. So if you go and have a look, you can see that it's actually connected. So if I go to settings, now this is the only workaround that I found that works. I remove the device. I'm using the touchpad right now. On the device itself, I click the connect button. I don't know if this is the particular mouse's problem, but I click on add Bluetooth device. I click Bluetooth. And I select the mouse. And it will connect, and now it's working, which is fabulous. Okay, brilliant. So now I'm going to close that down. The other thing is that this laptop starts up and it takes forever in a day. So to fix that, I'm going to right click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. I'm going to click on Startup. I'm going to disable a lot of these things that are starting up. So Dropbox, GoToMeeting, iTunes, I don't use that. Bing service, I don't even know what that is. OneDrive. Teams, just an update that came down with Office. It's really annoying, so I disabled that. And I might disable the TomTom connection as well because I don't use that either. So that's all. So now that should start up a lot quicker. The other thing that I would do to make this PC run a little bit faster is go to my Windows Explorer. So Windows key and E will bring it up. And on the C drive, if I right click on that and go to properties, I click on disk cleanup. It runs away and does some things. It's still going, and then we want to delete all these temporary internet files. There's some OneDrive files that are quite big, but we'll leave them on there. The recycle bin has got quite a bit in it, so we're going to delete that and temporary files, and we have saved 23.2 gig, which is amazing. So click on OK, and then we want to permanently delete these files. Click that, and it'll go away and do that. And once that's done, the PC will run a little bit faster. It won't be ideal because, as I said, the computer's getting a little bit old. So once that happens, it's hard to upgrade them. You can replace your drive. Unfortunately, this is a Surface, so a Surface is more like a tablet, so you can't really replace the drive. Yeah, anyway, this is a very off-the-cuff video on the issues that I had with my laptop. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, or comment, and share this video with your friends. I want to help people out and improve people's knowledge on their PCs. Talk to you soon. Bye.